gonna put it. I get that at the I'm gonna put it.
How many times do you do that?
Twice. I'm gonna do it 5, and then keep an eye on it. You set it the timer.
So you did it
Second time.
twice.
Yeah. One at 7, I'm gonna do it at 5. I don't like it. I like it a little lighter than that. See how much difference it looks in the color?
Yeah.
By a minute. See how much more golden it is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And just slide it off.
They're like hodgepodge of different kinds of bread.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
The heels of all the bread.
Yeah, I'm gonna grind it. 1
Okay.
frozen. And it heel right there.
So it can be frozen then?
Yeah, because you want it to absorb the.
And this absorbs that burnt taste?
Yeah, in case you have any, because
Oh.
to me it smells like it's.
Yeah.
To me, I'd rather not. The bread doesn't. Even if you got crumbs on it, it's fine. And you just do it this way, so you get a liner. You don't need a pencil, really. It doesn't have to be a fine, yeah. It just has to be
And this is to make it a perfect circle? Is that what you're doing?
yeah, so it's a liner so that I put the cookies in it. I'll show you in a minute. So you get the first one so you don't deal with your so that I don't have to waste another one while I'm getting this, all right?
So that mix that you did, how much does that make? How many cookies?
This size,
Because you said all the ingredients.
4 trays and 4, 16, 32,
You said 8 trays of 16?
64, about 67 cookies.
Oh.
Yeah. So what you do is you get that. I know. I'm going to dump this. I'll get a fresh sheet. I'm going to put that because I took some out from that one.